a senior administration official described it as a possible impediment to getting a deal.
I mean, what is that about? Jeez, who's got some Purell? Give that to Mr. Todd right away. A little hand sanitizer. Good, good. We'll have Elmo give Chuck a special briefing.
Wash.
And when you have to sneeze or cough, do it into the bend of your arm.
Oh, sneeze into your arm with Elmo. Achoo.
Great job.
Oh, Elmo feels a real sneeze.
Oh, now remember what we practiced.
Achoo.
Now keep practicing, and you'll stay happy and healthy, too.